The project is a collaboration between CAFID and China Railway Traffic Bureau, adopting the EPC general contracting form. The project covers the design of production process and equipment configuration, supply of production line equipment, installation and commissioning, personnel training, after-sales service, and other aspects. This project is the first sand and gravel project on the Yulin section of the Sichuan-Tibet Railway, and needs to meet the demand for 3.85 million cubic meters of sand and gravel along a 77-kilometer stretch. Despite being located in the high-altitude plateau with harsh weather conditions, CAFID overcame numerous difficulties and completed the construction of the production line within a super short period of 75 days. Material: granite. Feed size: less than 850 mm. Capacity: 400 tons per hour. Output size: 0.5 mm, 510 mm, 1020 mm, 1631.5 mm, and 4080 mm. Equipment configuration: vibrating feeder, P-jaw crusher, HST single-cylinder cone crusher, HPT multi-cylinder cone crusher, V-size and making machine, vibrating screen.
CAFID machinery